Instagram got its start as a photo sharing platform back in 2010 and has expanded far and wide onto more platforms, with new features added to become what it is today. With more than 1 billion users worldwide and counting, you may be a fresh user wanting to get in on the fun. If you're looking for a way to check your messages regardless of device, it's really easy. In fact, as one of Instagram's core functionalities, the process itself is pretty straightforward. Here's how it's done. If you're on the app on your phone, checking your messages is super easy. Just open the app and make sure you're logged in, then tap on the messenger icon in the top right of the app. From here, you'll find your entire inbox with a full list of your messages and replies. Any messages that have unread replies will be displayed in bold if you haven't read them yet. To read and/or reply to them, tap on any conversation to bring it up in full. If someone you don't know is trying to send you a message, you'll see small text in the top right, telling you that you have unseen message requests. Tap on the text to look through those messages. Tapping on a conversation will give you the option to delete, block, or reply to the message. If you have to check your messages on a desktop browser, just head to Instagram's desktop site at instagram.com and log in with your account. From the main display, look for the messenger icon in the top right to load your messages. Using the list on the right, you can scroll through each response. Like on mobile, unread messages will be displayed in bold. To read or reply, just click on any conversation to bring it up in full. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.